No.
No.
Let's say no to them.
I'm not gonna vote.
Hi, I'm Kensington Sleeper, but you can call me Ken. It's that time of year again, elections, and you're gonna have to go out and vote. But what if you didn't? 2 weeks ago, in Silicon Valley, California, the Just Say No to Voting campaign was established. And as elected president, I'm here to tell you why you shouldn't have to vote. Did you know there are millions of different germs and dozens of different bacteria in the average voting booth? Some of which have been known to cause severe mild symptoms such as fatigue, hunger, increased thigh mass, and sudden cardiac arrest. If that doesn't scare you, maybe these other reasons will.
In the time it takes to vote, I could have gone to the bathroom.
I could have, I don't know, actually gone to class.
I could have downloaded like 4 apps.
I could have started a phony organization. And face it, politicians are just bad people.
They're all a bunch of liars.
They're just salesmen in suits.
They're pretty cruel to each other.
They're all a bunch of crooks, but what are you gonna do?
As you can see, this is a big deal. So our team took it to the streets to spread the importance of not voting.
I would say that it's definitely important to get registered to vote.
Well, that's all we have for interviews, but on behalf of the Just Say No to Voting campaign, I would like to wish you a leisurely day home come Election Day. November 6th. Just say no. The views expressed in this video do not reflect the views of the interviewed or those involved in JSN TV or the entire fictional organization. In fact, these views should not be expressed by anyone. Don't be a dope, just vote.